Think you need a six-figure salary to become a millionaire? Think again. Most people believe that wealth is only for the rich, but what if I told you that even with a low salary, you can still build $1 million net worth? The secret isn't in how much you earn, it's in how you manage and grow your money. In this video, I'll show you step-by-step how to go from paycheck to millionaire using smart saving, investing, and income-boosting strategies. Whether you're making $30,000 or $50,000 a year, these proven methods can help you break free from financial struggles and start building real wealth today. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap to your first million, and trust me, it's easier than you think. Let's dive in. Step 1. Mastering financial discipline. Tracking your income and expenses. The first and most crucial step to wealth building is understanding where your money goes. Many people think they don't earn enough to save or invest, but in reality, they are unaware of how much they spend on unnecessary things. By tracking your income and expenses, you can identify financial leaks and redirect that money towards savings and investments. Start by listing all your sources of income: your salary, side hustles, freelance work, or government benefits. Then track every single expense for at least a month. This includes rent, groceries, transportation, entertainment, subscriptions, and even small impulse purchases. You can use budgeting apps like Mint, YNAB, You Need a Budget, or an Excel spreadsheet to categorize and analyze your spending. Once you have a clear picture of where your money is going, identify areas where you can cut back. Are you spending too much on takeout? Do you have unused subscriptions draining your bank account? Even small savings from these areas can add up to thousands of dollars per year. Living below your means. One of the biggest reasons people struggle financially is because they spend everything they earn or more. To build wealth, you must adopt a lifestyle where you spend significantly less than you make. The difference between your income and expenses is what allows you to save, invest, and grow your wealth over time. This does not mean you have to deprive yourself completely, but rather spend wisely. Look for ways to reduce expenses without sacrificing your quality of life. Cook at home instead of eating out frequently. Use public transportation or buy a reliable used car instead of financing a brand new one. Cancel unused subscriptions, Netflix, gym memberships, magazine subscriptions. Shop smart, buy in bulk, use discount codes, and compare prices before making a purchase. By adopting a minimalist approach to spending, you'll free up more money to save and invest, bringing you closer to financial success. Step 2. Saving aggressively. Pay yourself first. The concept of paying yourself first is a game changer in personal finance. Before paying bills or spending on anything else, set aside a portion of your income for savings and investments. This ensures that wealth building is your top priority rather than an afterthought. A good rule of thumb is to save at least 20–30% of your income. But if that seems difficult, start small and gradually increase the percentage. To make it easier, automate your savings by setting up an automatic transfer to a separate savings or investment account every time you get paid. This removes the temptation to spend money that should be invested in your future. Building an emergency fund. Before diving deep into investments, it's essential to have an emergency fund. Life is unpredictable, and unexpected expenses like medical bills, car repairs, or job loss can derail your financial progress if you're not prepared. Your emergency fund should have at least 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses, and it should be kept in a high-yield savings account where it is easily accessible but not easily spent. This fund serves as a financial cushion, preventing you from falling into debt during emergencies. Once you have a solid emergency fund, you can focus on investing aggressively to grow your wealth. Step 3. Smart investing for growth. The power of compound interest. One of the most powerful financial concepts that can transform even a modest salary into a fortune is compound interest. The earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to grow. Unlike simple interest, which is earned only on the principal amount, compound interest allows your earnings to generate even more earnings over time, leading to exponential growth. For example, if you invest $200 per month and achieve an 8% annual return, your money will grow significantly. After 10 years, $36,566. After 20 years, $118,589. After 30 years, $39,850. After 40 years, $87,293. This example highlights the importance of starting as early as possible. Even if you begin with small amounts, consistency is the key to long-term financial success. If you gradually increase your monthly investment as your salary grows, you can reach the $1 million mark much faster. The magic of compound interest is that time is your greatest asset, and the sooner you take advantage of it, the wealthier you will become. Where should you invest? Even if you're earning a low salary, you should prioritize investing in assets that grow over time. The key is to choose investments with a strong history of long-term returns and avoid high-risk gambling strategies that can wipe out your hard-earned money. Here are some of the best places to invest. Index funds and ETFs. Index funds and exchange-traded funds, ETFs, are low-cost, diversified investments that track the overall stock market. These funds are ideal for beginners because they spread risk across multiple companies and industries. Some of the best options include S&P 500 Index Fund. Invest in the 500 largest U.S. companies, providing stable, long-term growth. Total Stock Market Index Fund. Covers the entire U.S. stock market, offering even broader diversification. By consistently investing in index funds, you benefit from the long-term upward trend of the stock market, making it one of the safest and easiest ways to build wealth. Dividend stocks. Dividend stocks are shares of companies that pay regular dividends, providing a passive income stream that can be reinvested to accelerate growth. Many well-established companies, such as Coca-Cola, Johnson & Johnson, and Procter & Gamble, have a history of paying increasing dividends over time. The advantage of dividend investing is that your portfolio continues to generate income, even when the stock market fluctuates. Over time, reinvesting dividends can significantly boost your returns, helping you reach your financial goals faster. Retirement account. If your employer offers a 401k retirement plan with a company match, take full advantage of it. This is essentially free money, and it can double your contributions without any extra effort. Additionally, consider opening an IRA, individual retirement account, or a Roth IRA. The key difference between the two is traditional IRA contributions are tax deductible, but withdrawals are taxed in retirement. Roth IRA contributions are made with after-tax dollars, but withdrawals are completely tax-free in retirement. By maximizing your contributions to these retirement accounts, you not only save for the future, but also benefit from tax advantages that help your money grow faster. Real estate investing. Many people assume that real estate investing requires a lot of money, but that's not necessarily true. You can start small with strategies like house hacking. Buy a property and rent out a portion of it, e.g., renting out a basement or an extra bedroom. Real estate investment trusts. Invest in real estate through publicly traded companies that own and manage properties. This allows you to benefit from real estate growth without buying physical property. The most important principle is to start investing early and consistently, even if you can only contribute $50 or $100 per month. Over time, these small investments will compound into significant wealth. Step 4. Increasing your income. If you are currently earning a low salary, one of the best ways to accelerate your journey to becoming a millionaire is to increase your income. While saving and investing are crucial, earning more money allows you to invest larger amounts, speeding up your wealth-building process. Side hustles and freelancing. Thanks to the internet and the gig economy, there are numerous opportunities to earn extra income outside of your regular job. Even making an additional $500 per month from a side hustle can significantly boost your savings and investments. Here are some popular side hustles you can start today. Freelancing. If you have skills in writing, graphic design, programming, or video editing, you can offer services on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or Freelancer. Tutoring or teaching English online. Websites like VIP Kid and Cambly allow you to teach students online and earn extra money. Selling handmade products. If you are creative, you can sell handmade crafts, jewelry, or digital products on Etsy. Affiliate marketing and blogging. By creating a blog or YouTube channel, you can earn passive income through advertising, sponsorships, and affiliate commissions. Ride-sharing and food delivery. If you own a car, you can drive for Uber, Lyft, or DoorDash to earn extra income on a flexible schedule. The key is to choose a side hustle that aligns with your skills and interests. Even if you can only dedicate a few hours per week, the additional income can make a huge difference in your financial future. Learning high-income skills. Another powerful way to increase your earning potential is by developing high-income skills. Certain skills are in high demand and can dramatically boost your salary, even without a college degree. Some of the most valuable skills to learn include coding and web development. Learning how to build websites and software can lead to high-paying remote jobs or freelance opportunities. Digital marketing, skills like SEO, search engine optimization, Facebook ads, and copywriting are in high demand for businesses looking to grow online. Sales and negotiation. Sales is one of the most lucrative career paths, and strong negotiation skills can help you close deals and increase your income. Public speaking and communication. Whether in business, coaching, or leadership, effective communication can open doors to better job opportunities and promotions. You don't need to spend a fortune on education. Many high-income skills can be learned for free or at a low cost through YouTube, Udemy, Coursera, and other online platforms. By investing time in developing profitable skills, you can increase your earning potential, allowing you to save and invest more aggressively. The path to becoming a millionaire on a low salary is not about luck or overnight success. It's about making smart financial decisions consistently over time. By spending wisely, saving aggressively, investing intelligently, and increasing your income, you can build $1 million net worth even if you start with a modest salary. Remember, the journey to financial independence is a marathon, not a sprint. The key is to start today, no matter how small. The sooner you take action, the sooner you will achieve the financial freedom you deserve. So that's it for today. If you like this video, then please hit the like and subscribe button for more videos. Thanks for watching.